Search engine optimization is incomplete without keyword research, and the keyword is still important in SEO and paid advertisement as well. Today in this video, I am going to disclose step by step a live method of keyword research of our website, of our blog using ChatGPT. So without delay, let's jump into the computer screen. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Shobhan Ghoshal, your digital marketing trainer, and you are watching your channel Viva Technologies. To continue this project, I need a website, I need a notepad and ChatGPT, and if I have any premium SEO tools, it's better. So at first, I will go and open a notepad. So I need a website, and the website here for this project, I'm using this website. This is one of my websites, and this is a travel blog. I need ChatGPT, but this is not a random ChatGPT. I will guide you later. And you need, if you have any premium tools, if SEO tools. Okay, if you don't have, don't worry, the ChatGPT will give you the ideal keyword for your project. Now at first, I will show you about one thing, that is Google Search Console of this particular website, where I will show you that some of my keywords are ranking there, and this is the search section, and this is the average position in the last 3 months, and some of the keywords are ranking here. I will just show you, these are the keywords which are ranking, and I will just export the report, download as CSV. Just go and open the folder, just open it or extract all. This is the data, this is the queries, these are the keywords. Come here, just open this, and just you will check how many keywords are ranking there. This is the heading, and I'll just use a freeze pane to fix the above heading, or the fix the columns. And how many keywords are ranking? It's around, this is the result of last 3 months, and yes, almost 1,000 keywords are ranking, and these are the average position. You can just filter the data from smallest to largest. Some of the keywords are ranking in position 1 and 1.4, 1.5, 1.7, 2. These are the keywords are ranking. I have not used any backlink methods or any link will any so-called common backlink methods. I'm just using simple interlinking and just post or just share in some platforms, and the keywords are ranking till now. Here I have used one strategy, and that is to find the best keywords according to me or according to my website. Now I will guide you how ChatGPT will help you to find out the best keywords for your project. Let's come here. Again, go to your ChatGPT, but this is a random ChatGPT. Here for this project, you cannot use, or you don't, please don't use this random ChatGPT prompt. I will guide you and I will tell you why. But before that, I need a proper prompt. Here I am using the prompt. You are an SEO expert in Google, over 20 years of experience. you rank in most of the keywords you researched before. Now I assign you as my SEO expert for this website and then paste the website URL. First, find me out some high intent and low competition keywords for the above website and maintain gap analysis. But before starting the project, analyze the website well and suggest the best keywords which are easy to rank on SERPs. Now you can go and copy the prompt and come here and click on this section. Go to the Explore GPT and come here and click on keyword research. After coming here, go to any of the tools. So I am using this particular tool. Click on Start Chat, paste the prompt, and next go and again open the random ChatGPT, which is the ChatGPT, and go and paste the same thing. Here you can find the difference between these two. This is a normal ChatGPT which we are using for our everyday purpose, for research, for getting analysis or all these things. This is a normal one, and this is that tool. That tool gives me this type of data. Here, this particular section guide me more detailed with all the metrics that they can provide. So these are the most important segments. You have to understand all these things very carefully if you want to rank your keywords on search engine result pages like Google, Microsoft, and any other search engines. So this is the okay. Now here they guide you a step by step the website analysis, from website analysis and the targeted keyword research to the suggested keywords and SEO content strategy and the further steps. Here this is the general one. This is the same website analysis, high intent low competition keywords. These are some keywords and these are some segmented keywords, okay, and this is a keyword gap analysis, some content suggestions. The data is almost same, it looks like very similar. You can go any of them, but I will suggest you to focus on that because here the data is, you can have the metrics as well, and these metrics can give you some help. These are the some important keywords which are very very important to rank on while you are planning to rank for long terms. Okay, these are the informational keywords. The 70% is the focus, and these are the 30% focus, the commercial keywords, and all of the keywords. So in this way you can find the keywords. This is the starting of a keyword research. Now you have to understand, you have to find which keyword is the best one. So for that you have to do some research. I am not doing that. I'm just randomly pick any keywords. Suppose I am just randomly pick a keyword. Mm, mm, okay, give me a moment. Okay, give me a list of keywords. Give me a list of keywords. Okay, I'm just asking you it or asking this platform to give me some list of keywords. It will give me a list, a detailed list, which you can use for further use. Now, okay, I'm using another prompts, and that is now sort the keywords according to keyword difficulty and give a list of 10 easy to rank. Okay, according to keyword difficulty and high intent. Okay, now I've just come here and I'm just finalizing all the keywords. See, the 17 is fine, 15 is fine, 19 is fine. Below 20 is the standard one, or it's easy to rank on. Now, okay, fine. So now I've just pick any of them. How to pack light for travel, road trip destination near. Okay, unique places to visit. Suppose this is the keyword. Okay, I've just come here. I've just replace the word city with unique places to visit in Kolkata. Okay, and just copy this keyword and go to any of our Google search engine or any of our what can I say, any of our search engines. It's maybe Microsoft, it's maybe Google, but in this case I'm using Google because mostly we focus on Google. Just go and click there, click on Google or search it, search the keyword, and then this is the search volume. Probably the search volume, I will get the search volume of this particular keyword just to cross check it. Okay, yes, the keyword difficulty is about to work. You can find how difficult the keyword is for this particular purpose. See, this particular keyword is very tough to rank according to keyword difficulty. It's about 70.86%. And this is the full report. You can check the full report. For that, it will bring you to the SEMrush tool. You can just go and check this. It will bring you to the SEMrush tool, and there, this is the data. And if you probably you have seen that no data is there, so I am not just logging it. No data is there, but this is one of the keywords you can target. Now it's very tough to find the keyword in this AI era. So what to do? Here ChatGPT will guide you what to do. Just ask ChatGPT, can you guide which keyword do I pick to rank faster among the list, and how how would be the content strategy for the keyword. Ask ChatGPT to do everything. That particular tool is an excellent tool. See, the best street food in city, they are guiding you, but don't depend on this particular tool only that to find the keywords, because this is a tool which is based on some algorithms. You have to cross check everything to finalize the keyword. Always remember that you have to cross check everything to finalize a keyword. But okay, fine, that's the intent is the informational intent, and low competition and localized focus make it easier to rank. When you are targeting a place, it's a kind of localized content, and it's easy to rank. Okay, now, so here the content strategy should be, this is a blog post, and the title should be the best street food in your city, and you cannot miss with kind of that. And the word count is around 1200 to 1500, and format listicles or descriptive details. If you ask that particular tool to give the detail, they can give you. Now, this is the blog structure and the table of content optional, the main body. They have guide you detail and in depth. For this project, when you are searching a keyword and when you are planning to create a content, you can use ChatGPT over any other SEO tools, because now ChatGPT is better than any other SEO tools. Hope you can understand what I mean to say, why you have to use ChatGPT instead of any other search engine optimization tool. Probably it will give you good information, it will guide you properly to find the keyword, to create the content, and the best strategy of that. If this video is useful, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.